Hi everyone, it's Jennifer Roth-Burnette here with a quick video on how to upload your recorded Zoom class meeting into your Blackboard shell so that students continue to have access to it. So I actually set up my Zoom meetings to be cloud recorded. You could also have set them up for local recording on your computer. It's up to you. But to get the cloud recording, I'm going here to my list of recordings. I see the class meeting recording right here. And if I go to this More drop down, it gives me the opportunity to download. I'm going to select download the 3 files. The 3 files are actually a transcript, which can be handy to look back and kind of see or understand what students said without having to watch the whole video again yourself. I like having access to that. It also gives you an audio file and an MP4 video file. So then I'm going to come over to my Blackboard course and I'm going to select course videos. The little gray box with the line through it means that students cannot see this. It is hidden. So the first thing we need to do is unhide it. So I've clicked the little gray arrow drop down and I'm going to select Show Link to unhide it. Next I'm going to click through course videos and that takes me into Panopto, which is our video storage area. Also, it can be used for video creation in the classroom, but in this case I'm going to be uploading the Zoom video that I made because I was meeting my class online. So up here it gives you the opportunity to create and to upload media. This is where I'm going to upload my Zoom MP4 file. So now that I have located the file, the recording file, which I actually renamed so that it would make a little more sense, I have dropped it here, and it's actually, as you see, it's going to take a while. It's going to take some time, maybe as long as half an hour for that to upload. So I'll be back when that's done. And so now that my video has uploaded, this is what I see on the screen. It has a folder code name which is where it is in Blackboard. Here's a link that the viewers will be able to use to see it. In terms of discussion, I am not going to allow viewers to post comments that it's not the sort of thing that I would need them to discuss. It's just a recording of the class. And here are a few other qualities associated with this recording. At the very bottom, there is availability. Basically, all of these things I'm not touching. Whatever is default for Panopto, I'm just leaving it that way. And I do see that this video is going to be immediately available. And so now when I click out of that view and just back to the regular Panopto window, I see that this recording I made and that I coded by the date on which it was made is now here and available to students. Thanks.